The Galaxy S26 FE just leaked in full, and honestly the blue finish looks better than expected. But the design is the only beginning, because Samsung may have quietly fixed one of the biggest complaints about the FE series. So what exactly we are getting this time? But before that, take a look. The phone is officially expected to launch on August 27, and the hands-on video gave us our clearest look yet. Samsung is keeping that premium glossy glass-like bag, but the camera setup has changed. You still get 3 lenses, rumored to be 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. Samsung upgraded the telephoto from 8 megapixel from the S25 FE, and now they sit inside a notably raised housing similar to the S26 series. And that small design change could make the S26 FE look very different from its predecessor. But what about the rest of the phone? Around the side, Samsung is going with completely flat metallic rails with a matte finish. It gives the phone much more industrial high-end feel compared to the shiny back. The power and volume button remains in the same place, while the front gets a flat display with a center punch hole camera. It is rumored to be a 6.7 inches panel with uniform visible bezels, clearly separating it from Samsung's more expensive flagships. But honestly, for the price difference, most of us probably won't care, but Samsung may be making that compromise for a reason. Because underneath the familiar design, the S26 FE could pack a 120Hz display, better battery life than the S25 FE, and One UI 9 based on Android 17 right out of the box. And that brings us to that major fix I mentioned earlier, the software. Because some current Galaxy S series flagship haven't even received One UI 9 yet, so the real question isn't whether the S26 FE looks premium, it's whether Samsung has made the FE model more compelling than the flagship it's supposed to be set beneath. So what do you guys think of this S26 FE? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.